Hello, Professor. My name is Liling Yu. I'm from Kunming, a city in Yunnan province in southwestern China. I will introduce my project, Sounds of Yunnan. I'm presenting a project born from a personal observation. In China, visual narratives about ethnic minorities are often simplified into stereotypes, coming from a region rich in ethnic culture. I use design to challenge this limited view. My work focused on Miao batik. I move beyond copying its beautiful crackle patterns to study the myth, history, and the craftsmanship behind them. I translate these cultural foundations along with the craft's natural, unpredictable beauty into a contemporary graphic design system. These graphics are my translation of the Miao worldview. This project has shown me that design can be more than a commercial tool. It can connect the tradition with the present. It has reshaped my practice into a process of listening to and reinterpreting cultural depths, giving ancient wisdom new life through modern design. Thank you.